and you're gonna walk out. Then he's gonna go you know where, and then she's gonna go you know where. Okay. Then ready? 3, 2, 1. This is the American Girl doll wedding. Ready? 3.
Talk a little louder.
This is the American Girl doll wedding. Ready? Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. And now rise for the bride. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. That's the boy.
I can tell the hair looks funny.
I am Pastor George, just over here. Do you take this wedded husband to be your husband for eternity and life? I do. Do you take your beautiful wife to be with you for eternity and forever? I do. You may now kiss the bride. Now you have to hold hands and walk. Dun 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 dun.